everybody, here is your little bedtime phonics session that I promised you this morning in our phonics lesson, just so you can show the people who you live with how fantastic you are now at sounding out the sounds, to blend them together and to read the words. So Fred is with us tonight as well. I told you I'd bring him home with me, so he's going to help us say our sounds, because Fred can only speak in Fred talk, can't he? He can only speak in sounds, so you need to help him tonight read these words for him, okay? Right, we'll start with our first activity, which is saying our sounds as speedily as we can. Are you ready? Go! Super sound, everybody. Well done. Okay, for our next activity, we are going to try and read some green words. So first of all, we have to speak in Fred talk in sounds, and then we blend those sounds together to read the words, okay? So we'll start with our sound buttons. My turn first, just to remind you what we do, and then your turn. Are we ready? So my turn. W-E-B. Web. Your turn. Yum. I hope you had something yummy for your tea. Jam. Sit. We sit nicely in our classroom. Got. A baby sleeps in our cot. Brilliant. Okay, I think now we're ready for our next activity, which is called Fred in your head. So I always put Fred on my head, don't I, to make sure he's nice and safe. Fred in our head is where we say the sounds in our head and not out loud. Okay, because again, Fred can only speak in Fred talk. We need to say the sounds in our head and then say the word out loud. Are you ready? I'll show you again. My turn. I'm going to do it without sound buttons this time. So in my head, web. Your turn. Cot. Got. Sit. Jam. Yum. Brilliant. Well done, everybody. I'll take Fred off my head now. I hope you really loved our bedtime phonics session today. Oh, Fred has just whispered in my ear that he would love to do another one with me. Let me know if you would like another bedtime phonics session with me and Fred. See you tomorrow. Night-night.